Hello there. Quick question. Are roadblocks hindering your sales team's success? Well, CloudTalk can help. Our smart and reliable features boost productivity and efficiency through increased connection rates to leads and customers, real-time synchronization of data, and improved call quality and connection. You can say goodbye to juggling multiple platforms and outdated information and start making high-quality calls across multiple countries with confidence. Let's get started with describing how you can quickly and easily initiate calls from Pipedrive. When logged into your Pipedrive accounts, all phone numbers will be converted into a clickable format, allowing you to quickly and easily initiate calls with a single click. At CloudTalk, we call this the click-to-call feature. Calling directly from Pipedrive allows you to avoid juggling between multiple tools, so you can spend more time having meaningful conversations and closing more deals. With the two-way synchronization between Pipedrive and CloudTalk, you can access all your lead or customer's information even before the call is initiated, which allows you to deliver a much more tailored experience and consequently increase customer happiness. Either during or after the call, you can add different tags according to your needs, which will help your team streamline and automate their call management processes. It will also allow them to gain valuable insights into your customers' needs and, once again, provide better customer experience. All the calls get automatically logged into the customer's profile, including call recording, call date, time and duration, as well as agents' names and phone numbers, increasing your visibility over your agent's activity and enhancing your sales team's efficiency. Communication nowadays is often made via SMS, and with our SMS Sync, you can centralize all communications with your customers in one place. This can help you manage your communication more efficiently and ensure that all interactions are tracked and recorded. With CloudTalk's call analytics and dashboards, you can gain insights into all call activity, such as the number of calls made, received and missed, call durations, and call outcomes. These metrics can help you understand how your sales reps are performing and identify areas for improvement.